In this video, I'm going to teach you all the tricks on how to graph a line from an equation. So if we have a problem like this that says graph the line using the slope and y-intercept, and look, here is our equation, y equals negative 1/8 x plus 5. So remember that slope equals the change in y over the change in x, okay? So the y-intercept can be found at 0, comma y. So we plug in 0 for x, and that should give us our y-intercept. So also remember, in the equation y equals mx plus b, that this is the slope, m is the slope, b is the y-intercept. So here in this equation, we could see that this is our slope, negative 1/8. And this is our y-intercept. So our step 2 here is the y-intercept is 0, comma 5. Okay, so this B tells us that this is the intercept. And why is that? So the y-intercept is where the line crosses on the y-axis. And where it crosses on the y-axis, x is 0. So if we put 0 into this equation, this would go away and we're left with y equals plus 5. So that is why the y-intercept is 0, comma 5. So we can plot that first. Okay, so let's plot that first. 0, comma 5 sits right here, the green dot there. From here, you can either go up 1 and left 8. Okay, so this negative, you can apply the negative to either the numerator or the denominator. So in this case, we're applying the negative 8 to the denominator. Okay, that would be the change in x. So for this one, our change in y is positive, so that means we go up 1. And then the change in x is negative 8, so we go negative 8 this way, and that's our point. Okay? So the negative sign is applied to the denominator. Or if we apply the negative sign to the numerator, so the change in y will be negative, then our denominator will be positive 8. So if our numerator is negative 1, we go down 1 from here, and then we go positive 8 this way. So you can go down 1 and write 8, and where we end up here. So the negative sign is applied to the numerator. So you're asking yourself, well, these look far apart and they don't look the same, but when you plot the line, you'll see that it goes through both these points. So they're both correct, okay? And that is the main trick on how to graph an equation when you have a negative slope. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away, you could just rewatch the video as well. You could take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, there's a link to this very video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, there's links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. If you need extra help, you could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.